Guys, welcome back. Cam is back, and today we're going to do the chapter 2 in our Cam's tech session, one of our favorite topic. So guys, we have done the chapter 1 already. The links will be attached to this description in the YouTube video, and we're going through step by step about the Trailhead. So in the last one, we covered developer account, Trailhead account, and just the interface. Okay, so today, next step on the Trailhead, how it looks, and I will be going through 2 different profiles on the Trailhead as well. Like I've got one test profile and I've got one real-time profile which I use as a real-time, and where I will show you guys how many trails you need to do, how the certifications automatically linked, and the interface of the Trailhead and the different tabs. Okay, so let's start. It's for the beginner. So guys, get ready. Anyone can do it. I'm not targeting any particular crowd. Guys, anyone can do. Anyone can learn Salesforce. All right. So let's see Salesforce in action. Come on, guys. Let's have a look. There you go. So here it is. I am logged in. So as mentioned in my last video, this is a test, right? That's my test, and I am already logged in. And you can see by default, they are showing me today. What do I need to do? Let's learn something new today. Why Trailhead and Trailhead community, and then Trailhead and community basics. So community is must, guys. Like, you know, it helps you. Okay, so even when you do admin exam completed or PD1 exam completed in Salesforce, normally you get emails from Salesforce. Guys, join the community, join the admin community, join this community, join Sales Cloud community. Or, you know, like there are multiple communities available in the groups. So it's basically different level of groups where you join, you ask questions, and you can also get help. Like if you're looking for job, if you're looking for any suggestions, or if you have queries about if you're stuck somewhere. Okay, so make sure start learning and join the community. Everything will be here. Okay, as I mentioned, we're going to run through 2 different profiles today. So here is I have one is not logged in, one you have already seen. So let's log into this account as well. So I'm going to hit login, and I will be using my real email address to log in on this one as well. So yeah, and let's say and I log in with my Gmail ID again, so I don't don't forget. So let's log in. I do remember my password. Normally I do. All right. Okay. And I hit login. So this is I set up. So I use mobile authentication to approve this. So but I'm sure you will learn later on. It's a heads up for you guys. You should know these things. So I think it's in Google. If you're creating Outlook account, so it's kind of, I'm sure you must have seen it. So there you go. Here is my real-time profile, and you will see on the left-hand side, if you can see the numbers, you have 22,100 points, and 12,900 more points to reach expeditioner, basically, right? Okay. Now go to your profile. So technically, if I do this, I will get this title basically in Salesforce, the rank. But again, you have to practice it every day. So yes, I do lose control sometimes, because right now I'm working on field service lightning certification, so unable to concentrate on this one. But guys, you are learning. You need to do that. Okay. Anyway, so this is your main profile, and where you can see right now I'm working with Cognizant, and it's the detail here. Good company to work for. And so here is my quick ID. So you can see anyone when they create Trailhead, they will see the ID like this, right? And below, look, you can see all of your certifications already linked. Like in Salesforce, I have done 5 certifications, and they are all linked here. Okay, and that's actually the good thing, because everything is under control at one position. Okay. But there are many amazing people who've done the 100 badges. Basically, guys, it's a ranger badge and you want to get ranger badge. Okay, so I would say concentrate on it. And basic learning, it's like a college stuff. Basically, when you do, then you do the exams and stuff. Just do that, right? Again, this is the overview of the profile, how it looks like it, right? Let's switch to the other one, which is still plain, right? There's no badge, nothing in there, no picture, and click on profile. Let's go there, and you can add, you can tell your short bio, and it will automatically link when you have certifications. I will show you in the next chapter basically how the certification works in this one, but we'll go step by step. Here is your about me and everything, where you upload your related topics and what you're doing. Okay, about your job website, your country, relationship with Salesforce. Are you a customer? Are you an employee? Are you a partner? Where you working? So these are the things you explain at this section. When you join community, there are multiple different levels of community where you answer, best answer, it will all update here. And when you start doing your badges, it will come and show here. So let's start something. Right, I am actually go straight from here to Trailhead, or I'm logged in, I can start from here as well. Okay, so this is Salesforce intelligence. Basically, it is showing you guys, let's learn Trail and Trailblazer community. If you want to learn, you can click simply read, and it will come up with the next chapter, guys. Just hover around. What exactly is this? You will get to know so many people from Trailhead community, and you will get in touch. Okay, right, so I want to learn. So every people, like, I've got so many questions. How do we start? Where do we start? I can't focus it. I need someone who can give me chapter by chapter to go through. Guys, stop that now. So we are living in online world, right, where we can easily dig into. There are so many YouTube videos. There are so many people helping you to get into these kind of pages, or they are actually holding your hand to do that, right? You don't need, like, I'm encouraging people not to spend money for no reason if you don't have to, right? If you have to, it's a different situation, but do not spend money if you don't have to. Okay, so let's learn. So I'm going to click on Trails. Let's see, what do I get? I'm waiting for the screen right now. So, right, look, it is showing 255 trails out of 255. So this is actually showing you everything, which is obviously everyone will get confused, right? Where do I start? I don't know, right? Some of get really good deals, like admin beginner, like advanced admin. It's a 9 hours course and it's a 3 hours course, but don't freak out. It's actually, you don't have to sit 9 hours in 1 day or 2 days or 3 days. Guys, every chapter, every trail in the Salesforce, it's actually 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or maximum 20 minutes. Or if you end up creating a playground, maybe you spend half an hour that day. That's it, right? And I'm sure everyone can get half an hour day to work on these things. Okay, so don't freak out. You are a beginner, set your level as a beginner. I want to learn only beginner stuff, guys. And this is the way, right? But as I'm guiding so many times, guys, either you have to do PD1 or admin. I'm still focusing everyone. Do the admin exam. That's very important. If you want to be a developer, you want to be a admin, whatever you want to do, your focus should be admin. Every hiring manager, the first question they ask, have you done any certification? Unless you have done degree, which is not available on Salesforce, right? Every manager, like majority, I go any interview, they ask first question. Even the job recruitment agencies, the first question, have you done ADM? ADM is a short form of admin exam, right? It's a Salesforce administration, right? So, right, okay. So I have really found a really cool trick in this one. So look, I haven't prepared anything special, guys. I want to actually train you guys very much independent on this. I don't think you'd even need me after that, right? So let's click on it, Trailhead Academy, right? Where you have, it's a trick actually, right? Be careful. This is a trick which I found here as well and very handy, right? So as soon as I click, it says 47 classes. And this is again for beginner, right? Or maybe you spend 3-4 months on it. It's helpful for you as well, okay? So they said 47 license, right? Classes, sorry, 47 classes. And which one you want to do? So basically Salesforce said you can come in person, spend money, spend fees, and you can come. But what do I need? I actually need something else, right? Look at here. Administrative essentials for new admins in lightning experience, ADX 201, right? Look, do I really need to go? I have a trick. Salesforce said, go to a Trailmix. So this is actually, guys, your first chapter. See the step by step. It's written. You don't need any trainer to come and train you. Salesforce done the magic for you. Look, getting around with the app, you need to learn data model and navigation, lightning experience, help and training, getting your organization ready for users. You need to learn all of this stuff. It's actually step by step. This comes in admin exam. Guys, don't freak out. I'm telling you, do not go. As I said, you got YouTube, you got Trailhead. And I will tell at the end of these chapters, you need one more thing when you're working on exam, because once you complete your training, once you complete your trailheads and you're confident, then you need to learn the mock-up questions, the way how the exam comes in, and you need to learn those kind of tricks that I will go through with you. It's very good one. But for now, if you follow this path, I'm not saying go ahead and register for 3,000, which is 3,000 pounds is actually a big amount, right? I don't want to spend easily, right? Unless Salesforce giving me offer, right? I can't afford it. Even I can't afford it, right? So we need to follow this trick to do that, right? Or I can also copy this simple, and I'm copying and I'm coming to Trailhead and I'm gonna paste it here. Let's see how much options I get. Click data model and navigation. There you go, guys. First one is a data model. It's clearly say give your data structure with object, field, and relationship. We talk about it, yes, in my last video, that we talk about object and how it looks like it's all that basically, right? So please focus on step by step from here. So let me show you how I get there. So I was on the first page. I'm repeating one more time. So I was on the first page. I click on learn. On the learn, I have a take a classes with us, and then Trailhead Academy. I went there and I have seen these academy knowledge. So I've got so many different levels of courses here where people are going in person. Like if someone really want to do it, you can go ahead and do these ones as well. But pretty much ADM, Service Cloud, and implementation, everything is available here, right? So as I said, my first focus is really small one, and again, something really important, which is related to admin, which is a basic, and this is for freshers, students, any business user who are jumping in the Salesforce knowledge area. This is where you need to start, and this is where your place to go. And I hope you like this short video where we see in the profile how the trail works, where do I go to start, and where is the learn button. This is where you need to choose. This is actually a trick. It's not everybody have to do it. If you want to straight go to the trail mix, guys, you can do it. You can create a trail mix here, create your own trail mix. But this is for the people who knows some stuff they want to go ahead and do it. They can do it. Then you have a discovery as well for the trail mixes. If you want to create a discovery on that, Salesforce has a very good, it's kind of algorithm, they've done it for the companies where you can start your employees as well. But you can do it by yourself as well if you want to. You can add your trail mixes and start combining and create a folder. It's like a folder with many documents that you want to add it. You can start with it. Okay, so hope you like it, guys. This is the interface, and I'm going through more and more. And in next chapter, we will be covering more on admin side and what things are to be covered. And we will go through step by step. I will also try to find a one trail where you are going to create a playground, because you can also create on the go, on the fly. Basically, you can create a playground, which is kind of linking your current Trailhead with a new Salesforce environment. And you will see how easy is this to create a new environment, which is fresh environment for a separate task. Okay, we'll cover that as well, and we'll learn more. It's our learning time, and as I said, I will be covering many chapters just to train everybody on developer environment as well as on Trailheads. Please keep posting questions as you send in, guys. I will cover. If I miss anything, please let me know. Remember, so I can cover those things as well. Okay. Thank you so much. It's great talking, guys. Have a good one. Cheers, everyone. Bye.